Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to make and receive calls over a Wi-Fi connection on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in settings, go to connection. And connection, you can see the Wi-Fi calling. Okay, tap this. Here in Wi-Fi calling, okay, there are two options here, the SIM1 and this SIM2. So you can select SIM1 or SIM2. So for my example, I select SIM1. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. To enable the Wi-Fi calling on SIM1, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And after you switch on, you can see the calling preference. Okay, you can tap this and select the Wi-Fi prepaid to use the Wi-Fi calling. And that's it. Okay, now you can make and receive calls over a Wi-Fi connection whenever available. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.